Hello everyone, my final project is based on my project 1. In this project, I reviewed the model and mainly use Ecotech to analyze the solar radiation of the surface and then make a genetic algorithm optimization design. First, based on the project 1's grade, I draw points on the intersections. Then in Grasshopper, I draw 11 parallel curves along the x-vector on the grid. Each curve has 7 control points. Based on the real project, the control points could be moved on z-vector by different parameters. And then love these curves to make the surface. And secondly, I use Gecko, which is a Grasshopper plugin, to analyze the roof surface solar radiation levels. To prepare for Ecotech analysis, the base surface needs to be converted to a mesh in Grasshopper. The mesh was imported into Ecotech, where the radiation analysis was conducted. So here we just need to some data from Ecotech. So here I just found the New York City weather data, which are in Ecotech files, and just load this data and then calculate. So as the legend shows, the yellow areas are where heat loss is minimal, while blue is where heat loss is greatest. And then I just add a mesh color component in Grasshopper. Here I just used another plugin called Mesh Tools. As we can see, after I install this plugin, there are several new components in mesh categories. So you can see here I just used mesh explode, which so that I can get each surface of this mesh. And then I just let the model in Rhino show the same color as which are in Ecotech. And finally, I just use Galapagos, which is another Grasshopper plugin to optimize the design. The move distances on z-vector of the control points on the original surface will be the variables. The solar radiation is the fitness parameter. By using the Galapagos, the Grasshopper will try to calculate the maximum solar radiation on surface by changing the shape of the surface. As we can see at the end, the surface which is almost flat has the maximum radiation. So during this design process, one important issue I met is the normal of surface. After I made the model, I reversed the sequences of my control points so that I got a surface which has an opposite normal direction comparing with my original surface. The Ecotech will calculate based on the normal of the surface which we set in Rhino. So in this case, if we want to calculate the surface which face the sky. So if it is wrong, the Ecotech will calculate the opposite surface. So the result will be totally different as this picture shows. And this is my final. Thank you.